Soul Tribe, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing a brief guided meditation and highlighting ways to feel more empowered. I will be offering you all a series of affirmations for you to repeat out loud or internally to guide yourself through this meditation. To start off, bring yourself to a comfortable position with your feet flat on the ground or lying down or in a cross-legged position. Make sure that you're sitting up nice and tall with your shoulders stacked over your hips, your head in a neutral space, your hands relaxed onto the tops of your knees, palms facing up to receive the energy from the universe, or palms facing down to ground yourself in this moment. If you're lying down, maybe place a pillow under the head or a blanket over your body to find yourself in a more relaxative state. Begin by taking a few rounds of breath in a very natural state. So trying not to force your breath, but just breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. If you feel like you need to release some added excess negative energy, you can fill up the lungs as you take your next inhale. And then as you exhale, let it out with a big sigh. Just begin to notice how you feel in this moment. Allow any distracting thoughts to journey to the back of your mind. Allow the focus to remain on your breath as you are trying to relax the body. Become aware of how you physically feel. Notice if there's any sensations, any pulls, any tension in the body. Just become aware. You don't have to make any adjustments. Take another full breath in through the nose and soft exhale out of the mouth or the nose, whatever is most comfortable for you. I will now begin with our affirmations. If you are ready to receive, you can just listen, or if you would like, you can repeat them after me. I am worthy of peace and joy. My power is infinite. I add value to the spaces and people throughout my existence. I have full control over my life. I am whole. My actions create opportunities of prosperity. I believe in my unique abilities. I am capable of doing anything I put my mind to. My life is rich in opportunities. I am doing the best that I can. I acknowledge my growth and envision better days ahead. I embody the divine spirit. My potential is limitless. I can surpass any challenges because of my endless strength. I am a fierce warrior. I am shifting my reality here and now. I love who I am becoming. I am overflowing with abundance. My light radiates throughout the universe. Everything that I need is already inside of me. Take a full, intentional breath in through the nose and soft exhale out of the mouth. And take a little pause here. Take another full breath in through the nose. Soft exhale out. And pause. As you continue this soft, relaxed breathing, bring your awareness back into your physical space. Just begin to imagine the movements in the body, maybe starting from the crown of your head, waking up the neck, turning the head, maybe beginning to roll the shoulders, wiggling out the fingers, stretching the arms, wiggling out the hips, bringing movement into your legs, slowly bending the knees, wiggling out the toes, just beginning to move in any way that feels natural and comfortable for you. And then if you're not already in a comfortable seat, slowly begin to roll your body onto one side, coming into a fetal position to join in an upright, comfortable seat. Slowly bring your hands to heart center and bow your chin towards your chest. Give yourself gratitude for this practice, for being alive and here in this universe another day, allowing your spirit to vibrate throughout the cosmos in your physical body. You are wonderfully made. You are powerful. Thank you for joining me in this brief guided meditation. The light, love, truth, and peace that exists within me respects, acknowledges, and honors that which is in you. Until next time, Soul Tribe, Ashe.